Mathews.
I'm Barber. This is him or me.
Who is more likely to win a game of horse?
Definitely.
Me.
We play a lot of games.
We play
It's kind of
It's back and forth. It's the back and forth, but the series is like 2-2 right now. It depends what type of shots we shooting though.
If it's all mid-range.
If mid-range, he might have, but we should be bombing from deep to deep.
Who's the most dependable?
Hold on.
In terms of what though?
Yeah.
You can rely on. Who should I rely on more?
Oh.
Who is most likely to start a slow clap at the wrong moment?
Jabari! That's Jabari all over it. Middle of the class, someone starts crying.
Who is the better multi-sport athlete?
Oh, definitely. Just because I can't even play basketball. So.
Who's most likely to photobomb a picture?
Definitely.
Jabari.
Who reps NorCal better?
Oh, Bird of the day. He taught me terms like jug. That means discount.
Who is most likely to laugh at his own jokes?
Without a question. He does it all the time.
Whose locker has more random stuff in it?
Oh my.
I might be the cleanest person on the team, so that's my brain.
Who is most likely to be a billionaire?
That's tough.
That's a tough one. Depends though.
I'm gonna be modest and say him.
I'll also be modest.
Who would design the better basketball shoes?
Oh,
Your boy.
Who would have the best touchdown celebration games?
Ooh, I don't know.
Wait. I got my hands up there.
Yeah, he might hit a Johnny Bravo one.
I'll do the Johnny Bravo.
Last one, super important. Who is more like their father?
Have you met Philip Mathews? And see how he acts?
Probably me. Probably. No, I'm going to him because Bird just like his dad. Bird just like his dad with the slow walk. When he sit down, all of it. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh, it's a him.